I'm Fox 13 News reporter Julia Sandor in Ogden. Here's a look at a list of additives that will be banned from public schools in Utah. Now, according to House Bill 402, it says that schools will be banned from selling or serving foods that contain these additives on school grounds during the school day.
Nice.
It's a perfect day for King and his dad to enjoy a few hoops at Liberty Park.
Money. We've lived in Utah for about 10 years.
Before coming to Utah, Vaughn Ost and his family lived in London. One of the biggest differences he says he's noticed is the food.
Generally pretty good lunches. You know, I know our kids here in the States, a lot of candy and the pop machines and all those kinds of things. So living over there when our kids were young and then coming back, was a little bit concerned about what was in our food.
President of the School Nutrition Association of Utah, Candace Parr, says they're continuously working to make school meals healthier, but House Bill 402 raises some questions. She says each individual state defines what ultra-processed food is, so it can be hard for their vendors to get the meals under the new regulations.
It's going to be difficult to be able to follow. Again, we're not opposed to be able to make meals healthy for students. That's what our premise is to have healthy meals for students. The difficulty is going to be able to find those items that don't have these.
The bill does have exceptions. It lets parents give students food items that include the listed additives at school and allows teachers to provide students with those foods with a parent's permission. It would also allow those foods in vending machines and as a concession item at school events. But Parr says those exceptions can be confusing.
There's no specification in who monitors this and what is the the consequence of not following it. We do hear from parents at the district levels and the charter school levels that there are some that are very excited for the healthy meals and there's some that just want their children to eat.
For parents like Ost, he says he's just glad it's happening.
This is just one of those things where so many additives are in our food. All you have to do is look at a label from one country versus ours and all the things that we put in our food and ask why.
In Ogden, Julia Sandor, Fox 13 News, Utah.